Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto G45 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So first of all we have to open the recent, and if you've got the 3-button navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon or 3 bars icon, and if you've got the gesture, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the recents. Obviously if you wish you can turn them off manually just by swiping them up, something like that, but if you've got a lot of apps open, you can either tap on clear all here, or you can go to the very left and tap on clear all here. Totally up to you which option you prefer. Just tap on this option and then we can enter the recents to check, and here we've got no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.